contact list manager. I'm talking about a service that actually does contact exchange. In order for something like this to actually exist and disrupt the market, it has to do two basic things. First, it has to guarantee a flawless cross-platform connection of devices, which modern solutions such as Bluetooth and QR codes are not really good at doing. And I will get into that a little bit later. And be able to facilitate contact exchange with holders of paper business cards. So we believe we found a solution to this problem, and that's why we've created Drop, the ultimate live networking tool. So what is Drop, right? Drop is a universal cross-platform business card exchange tool that lets you scan, save, and share your contact details with anyone you meet. So what does Drop do? Drop lets you snap and share. You take a business card you find in the field, take a picture of it, it's automatically saved into your phone, and your contact details are sent via SMS and email. This solves our first problem. The next function is nearby. If the person already has Drop installed, you can just press a button and find the person right next to you. And we do that with our own technology called Resonance. Now what is Resonance, you ask? So Resonance is our own technology. It's a cross-platform, patent-pending device pairing technology that uses comparative analysis of ambient audio noise to connect devices without Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC. Here you can see how it works. Basically what happens is it takes an audio fingerprint of whatever it is you're hearing, compares it in the cloud, and if there's a positive match, then your devices connect. So comparing to our closest competitors and other solutions of this issue, Resonance wins everywhere. So for example, Bluetooth and NFC, right? They don't have cross-platform impairment due to API restrictions. QR codes and Bluetooth, they can't connect multiple devices simultaneously. GPS pairing is extremely inaccurate, etc., etc., etc. Resonance wins every time. Drop itself has many other functions too. For example, it has speaker mode, which lets a single speaker, for example myself, connect to the audience of up to thousands of people. In fact, guys, if you download the app right now, during the Q&A, I'll attempt to connect with you guys. Drop has some more function. It has a QR code scanner in case your recipient doesn't have a business card or doesn't have Drop, and a web URL that you can input into your email if you want to. So our traction has been very promising, right? We've had 1,200 monthly active users. Our total users range around 13,000 at this point. And our monthly organic growth rate is 150% based purely on word of mouth. No marketing has been done whatsoever for this. Our monetization strategy deals with aggregated data and enterprise accounts for Drop. We currently have over 30 companies signed up. And we are licensing out our technology, Resonance, to our potential partners too. The Resonance use cases are vast, from gaming to finance, social networking, messengers, security authentication. We're currently piloting we're piloting Resonance with a company in every single industry. So our team is made up of me, Michael Karlov, the CEO, Dennis Markov, our CEO, and Andrew Zappelin, our senior developer and architect. Together, collectively, we have over 20 years software development experience and around the same amount of top management experience. So thank you very much, guys. I'd love to answer your questions. Resonance Software.
Well, you have the opportunity to try it live. Hopefully somebody downloaded it. Can we see it, try it?
All right, let's check it out. Let's try this. All right, so I'm looking at someone making some noise. Come on, let's connect. All right, we got Dennis Markov, we got Vladimir Dehovishny, we got Francesca's iPhone. Who's Francesca? Give a shout out. There we go. We got Sam Brown, who's the CEO of something. Marie Samba, who's a business development analyst. Where's Marie? Who are you? Show yourself. There she is, right there. Yeah, so we're flawlessly, and we can connect thousands of people, a whole football stadium, the main stage. You feel me? Yeah.
Any other questions, judges, for Michael?
So, you're pitching Drop or Resonance?
I'm pitching Drop as the application for networking because we want this to actually completely change the way people network, save the environment, because how many people have business cards or paper business cards? You don't need them anymore. Use this, right? And at the same time, our technology is what makes our application unique. That's how we solve the biggest issue that no other contact sharing app has been able to solve.
But basically, your company has developed the technology, the Resonance technology, audio,
yes,
whatever. Is it your first application, or have you already done other things with your technology platform?
There are a couple of other things we're doing at the same time. Namely, we're using resonance to measure radio and TV audience. Because resonance it's based on your audio environment, so it means that you have to hear the same thing, not necessarily be right next to each other. So if you're listening to the same radio station, radio waves are super fast, light speed. So we can connect people in different cars. So the use cases are vast. This is just one that we're currently exploiting, and there are thousands of others we don't even know, like what people can come up with.
How do you earn money?
Well, like I said, we collect aggregated data, and we have enterprise accounts for companies. Currently, we have over 30 companies that use Drop religiously on a corporate level. And we license out our technology to our potential partners. For example, banks and financial apps, security applications, which can use it as another method of authentication, because you can't fake an audio environment. It's flawless.
But if I allow you to access my audio environment, I'm allowing you to access my microphone, which means you're listening to everything I say.
No,
right?
We're making an audio fingerprint. It's metadata.
Okay.
You can't convert that back. It's just numbers. It's completely safe.
Can we see the connections that you made and what data you've collected from those connections?
Well, currently, I need to link up with people again, because the UX, it shows people that are currently live with you. But I mean, if you guys want to try it out again, whoever has it. Yeah, see, I have one guy over here, I have Dennis, I have Suryansh. Yeah, Suryansh is right there, yeah.
Are you able, is that part of your contacts now?
Well, I mean, I sent Suryansh my business card, so now I'm part of his contact. If he chooses to send him mine, then so will he.
Exchange that way. Got it. Thanks.
Please put your hands together.
Thank you very much, guys. Software.
High five.